Hi everybody, welcome to craf-Tpeep. I'm Tammy and I am in a collaboration called The Joy of Journaling, and I have not journaled in so many years. Ellie with DIY from House to Home is the host today, and you will find her and everybody's link that was in the playlist down in the description. I got this cute little, it's a shower caddy, but it reminded me of Mackenzie Child. So I am going to keep all my journaling stuff in this little shower caddy. I'm showing you a gratitude journal that I got, and you can just make this your own. It is for your enjoyment in your journaling. And so I said it's kind of like your 6th grade diary. Nobody else is going to see it or read it unless you want to show somebody. So I'm showing you a assortment of stickers and papers, and I have it all. I've been scrapbooking for 24 years. So I have a craft room, I do crafts, I have scrapbooking paper. This is what I take to my scrap retreats. It's got some glues and some adhesives and some scissors. So I have that right by my desk. And whatever you get, it does not have to be expensive. You probably have everything around your house. I'm showing you these paper pads. They were at Michael's. You bought one, you get 2 free. It was a $40 savings. I have the Lipton tea bags out here because I found this wonderful fabric journal yesterday for $1.99 at a thrift store. So we are going to put some tea bags in water, and I'm going to use, I believe, a brush to finally paint it on, or I just take the tea bag. Yep, I take the tea bag and just kind of gently rub it on there. Or if you go a little bit too hard, as you'll see me, well, over time it just gets old and the little things start coming out of the tea bag. But that's okay, you can brush them off. But I just love antiquing with a tea bag. So I might come back through and put some ribbon, different ribbon on it. So I dry it with my heat gun and brush off the tea leaves. And I did not decorate the front of this yet. My husband is a painter, so I might have him paint me a scene on here. I am just not sure. This was so fun to do. I've been collecting little scriptures and little sayings from the Dollar Tree from these little books, and they are $1. So you just cut them out, and you can tear them around the edges and ink chalk around them any color that you want. And then the other journals already have the lines, so how perfect is that? So I use some of those. I use white cardstock that I already have, and I'm just measuring out the size of the scrapbook that I found that I'm going to use to journal in. This is my Tim Holtz guillotine cutter. I love it. Never throw away any of those scraps. I don't throw them away because they can be used for journaling or scrapbooking, anything. So I'm showing you my creative memory ruler that has a little scalloped edge, and you can just pull your paper down and then ink around it, so it gives you a fun little edge. I hope you all are enjoying this playlist. It was so fun to do. I'm so glad Ellie started it, and I hope we get to show you a little bit more each month. Here I'm showing you some items that we'll be using in it. And I start to cut away at this real pretty flower that's on that 12 by 12 piece of scrapbooking paper. And I usually use Tombow adhesives. You can use Elmer's glue. You can use Mod Podge. I do use Mod Podge, and I'll show you where. So it was fine to use it as it was and just cut the size down, but I like doing this just to make it my own. And I say, do whatever makes you smile. And I'm a very messy crafter, scrapbooker. I go on 4-day retreats, and my desk area is ridiculous. I love anything buffalo check, so I'm just cutting that down, showing you my Tombow. So it's permanent adhesive. So I'm just putting this here, this there. I'm making a little title page, chalking around that area just to make that little piece pop off of there. And now I believe I have a stamp. And I love the clear, whatever you call those things that stamps go on, so you can actually see your placement onto the paper. So I cut that down. That's going to be my title. And I chalk around it with gold. And it's as easy as that. So that's my first page. Oh, I'm going to do a little journaling with lines so I can journal a little and see, put the date on there and kind of share my thoughts of why I started this journal. So I just kind of tuck it in there and taper down. The second page I'm making, what's it called? I put the green paper and then I put white paper. I think, yeah, crash, boom, bang. I forgot I had my mic on and went to go pull that scrapbooking paper out, and everything came crashing down on me. So I should have slowed that down as a little blooper. So see how just a simple little thing can make it pop when you surround it with more paper. So I used green and white, and it says it's a good day to have a good day. I love that saying, and I'm just getting a little bit more of the corners glued down. And then when I place it down, I also pull it out a little bit and leave a little bitty edge. Then I decide to use that Dollar Tree paper so I can do a little strip of journaling. And don't worry about your handwriting if you think it's messy. I put it's a good day to have a good day. Yes, ma'am, it is. This second, that paper, I believe I got it at Michael's. I absolutely love it. It has a world map, passport. It says something travel log. So I'm cutting it down to size, and then taking a white envelope from the Dollar Tree and showing you how to make a little pocket on the corner. And you can put your airline tickets in there, or movie stub ticket, anything you want. I just love that paper. You'll see me, I'll show you my little goof. I'm gonna stain it again with the tea bag, and again the tea leaves are coming off, but you dry it and brush off the tea leaves. And then I believe I have this eggplant burlap that I put down with Mod Podge, but realize that it's satin finish, so you have to finish off the whole envelope or it's just going to be shiny in that one area. Well, I glue down the entrance to the envelope to the little thing. So you'll see what I do. It'll dry clear and a little sheen to it. So I open that little opening back up, and it's very flimsy because it's a Dollar Tree envelope. So I put some colored cardstock and tape it down in there. So for years to come, it will be durable. So this is a kind of a junk journal, you would call it, or a Podge journal. I'm just going to put a little bit of this and a little bit of that in there. I love that eggplant burlap. So I believe, I'm making a tag now. So I take blue cardstock and use this one for a little example, and then I have a hole punch to press up at the top and put another little piece of eggplant burlap that I've cut in half and just tied it in a knot. And then I believe I put another little piece of journaling paper on there. So I'm anxious to see the rest of the crafters that made journals. They probably made a whole journal. I only gave you 3 pages to start a journal, and so you would know what you need, the basics of what you need. But it's, as you can see, it's very simple. So this is the 3rd page. I'm using buffalo check in this royal blue again, and I'm going to use a picture of me and my husband and our daughter and his 2 older daughters. We went to Kansas City to see our 2 youngest granddaughters graduate from high school, and we couldn't go to the graduation due to COVID, but we went to their parties and just had a blast. So I will journal about that. And keep all your scraps in a big plastic bag, like a gallon-sized bag, because you never know when you're going to just need a little bitty corner piece. I'm making another little pocket, and I used E6000 to glue that little pocket with the tape, and that does need overnight to adhere. And then I put a little scripture on the bottom. You are precious in his sight. And then I put another little journaling. Then I place it in the scrapbook that I just got. I just love this, and there it is. So there's the first page, there's the second, and there's the third. Thank you so much for watching, and as a little bonus, put family, faith, and friends down in my comments and you will be in a drawing. Please subscribe on YouTube, and as always, until next time, stay crafty, sweet peeps.